Hello, my amazing family. How are you guys doing? Welcome to another edition of my video. The topic that I brought today is why creators lose money. Yeah, this is another money matter. All right? Yes. So, in this video, I will tell you why some creators lose money, okay? Without even knowing it. All right, becoming a content creator looks exciting. When you are starting a content creator like us, that is a new content creator, it's so exciting. I'm a content creator. Everybody, what are you doing? I'm a content creator and I create content on YouTube. I have a channel. It's quite exciting. You'll be thinking of brand deals, passive income, and viral fame. You understand? You have been seeing some creators going viral. You understand? So this is our motivation of becoming a content creator. You understand? But behind the scene, many creators are quietly losing money without even realizing it. So behind the scene, some creators doesn't know that they are losing money on the internet. You understand? Especially all these new content creators, even the OGs. Some people doesn't know that there's some things that they are not doing that can earn them money under their channel. You understand? I think it was my last month's video that I talked about the way you can earn money on YouTube. You understand? The way you can earn money aside from your revenue. You can earn a side income apart from your revenue. But in this today's video, I'm here to tell you why creators lose money without knowing it. All right? Yes. But behind the scene, many creators are quietly losing money without even realizing it. You understand? So in this video, I break down the real reason creator struggles financially. Okay, yeah, some creators, which everybody, not everybody that is getting a lot of views or a lot of that have a lot of subscriber counts or getting a lot of views that have money, that have break forth from that financial crisis. Okay, no. But some creators, when they're growing, they don't know that there's some certain things that they can put in place for them to keep on making money. In this video, I will tell you what and what to put in place. Okay, so this is a must watch if you are serious about turning your creativities into consistent income. You understand? This is our creativity. Thank God that God give us skills. So this is your opportunity. If you want to turn this your hobby now, of creating content into money making machine. You understand? This is the opportunity. Just listen carefully. Let's dive into the video. Hello guys, you already know my name. My name is Patience. Number one reason why content creators are losing money without them knowing it is monetization gaps that bleed revenue. Don't worry, I will explain. You'll be wondering what is monetization gaps that bleed revenue. All right. Most creators assume YouTube AdSense is the only way to earn money. As I fondly said, your revenue is not the only way to earn money from YouTube, or the money that YouTube paid you, that is the AdSense, is not the only way to earn money. There are so many ways to earn money on this channel, on this YouTube, if you are very serious. All over social media, not even only on YouTube. You understand? If you are very, very serious, don't worry, just stick with me. The video, it will be interesting. You will see how. That's far from the truth. Let me tell you what they don't realize. Number one, low CPM niches. Before you venture into this content creating, please don't just run and come that because you see your neighbors posting a video, she's getting views and all that. No, please make a research and know the type of niche that you want to venture into. There are some low CPM niches here. You understand? Except maybe you want to do those niches as your hobby, but not your number one niche. You understand? Even if you want to do those low CPM niche, there's some other niches that you are doing. That is why it's good for you to have like 2 or 3 channels as your strength can carry you. You understand? If you're a new content creator, you have gotten your one page monetization, please try and open another one to grow it. You understand? So this is what they are telling you. You understand? Those CPM is not a low niche, it's a good niche, but with a low CPM revenue. You understand? They don't pay much on vlogs. Okay, entertainment, they don't pay much on entertainment, such like that. You cannot compare it with an education video. All right, so it depends. It can make your finances to bleed on YouTube, on your channel. All right, if you pick those niches. Okay, so the second one is, if I've told you this thing in my video, that there's some countries that your audience will come, you'll be having a low CPM money. You understand? Your revenue, your money will not be much. If you like have 1 million views, but somebody that have like 100k views will be earning higher than you. You understand? So I don't want to discriminate. I don't want to call names. At least we all here, if you're watching my video, that means you're a content creator. You understand? That is why you're watching my video. So go and make a research and know those low CPM niches. You understand? Or some countries that their money is very low on YouTube. You understand? If there are people watch you from there, your revenue will be small. And there's some countries that whenever they watch you, your revenue at the end of the month will be high. Okay, so I don't want to call names to avoid any problem. You understand? So your earnings are automatically reduced even if you have high views. So that is why if you're venturing into content creation or content creating, please make sure that you do your research very well and know the niches that you want to venture into. Okay, because some niches, their money they pay there are low, except maybe you don't care about money, maybe you're doing what you want. But I don't see any reason why somebody will be on YouTube, you're posting with your data, wasting your data. At least you will not have a feedback, you not have income that is coming in. Because I'm curious, I want to know. So one I write out is, many forget to enable monetization on all their video. You can lose money. You understand? If you're a monetized channel, you can lose money. You know, some people, they will post a video, they will forget to enable the monetization. You understand? If you're not monetized, you may not understand this part that I'm talking about. It's for those people that are monetized. You understand? So any video that you upload, please remember to turn it on, your monetization on. It will really help your channel. Okay, so the other one is, some people don't even optimize their titles and description for advertisers. um sorry for this. You understand? You know, I like using an example. I enter Sister Temiti's channel, her description, her channel description, not video description. You know, when you go there, you see the way she state out. You know, if you want, maybe if you want her contact, you can contact her through her email. Her email is there. You understand? Her, if you want to work with her, it's through that her email that you can contact her. Okay, maybe all the sponsors, all those affiliated marketing. You understand? You can make your channel ready for sponsorship. You understand? To earn money. You understand? Just make sure and do your channel. Make sure to put in place so many things that you need to put in place so that you'll be ready for income from anywhere, as far as you're a content creator. So number two of it is untracked business expenses. You understand? Some content creators can lose money. You understand? When they're on track business expenses, they don't track their money. Let me tell you how. Creators often spend money before they even started earning. Let me tell you what I mean. Some creators are often spend money before they started earning the money. You understand? Let me tell you, let me show you how they lose money. First, monthly subscription. You were a new content creator, you have not gone anywhere. You have not really have a stable audience that is watching you back to back. You are not getting that much views like Mr. Beats. And you just entered the scene newly. You started purchasing for pro version of CapCut, pro version of Video IQ, pro version of everything. Remember that you're paying, you know, you're subscribing the editing tools. You will subscribe to the pro when they have the free ones. You understand? Music licensing, you will go and subscribe to One Music because you love the music, you want to use it on your video, forgetting that every ending of the month they are collecting money, you will pay for it. You understand? All these things makes you lose money. You understand? Please, why can't you use the free version of your editing tools? There's no editing tools here that doesn't have a free version of it. Please do well to use the free version of your editing tools. For now, it will help you, because so that at the ending of the month, when your income coming, when you finish paying for your pro CapCut, your pro Video IQ, your pro music licensing, your pro this one, all the money will finish. You will not have savings. You understand? So you can lose money. You can lose money on that aspect. Please look into it. I term this one, the B of it is editors or thumbnail design without tracking. You understand? You know that you're a new content creator. You went and hire somebody that is editing your video, somebody that is designing your thumbnail. I remember that you're paying how much is YouTube paying you, that you are hiring. So it depends on the kind of level that you are in. You understand? It depends on the kind of level. Me, I believe that even if I'm hiring an editor, I believe that the money that I will pay the editor from is or from my YouTube income. Yes, because me, I believe that anything I'm doing or anybody that I'm hiring in the aspect of this my YouTube, the money that will pay the person will come from this YouTube. I cannot dip my hand inside my pocket and bring that money to pay for that person. The content, the money, the YouTube had to generate money for me to be hiring people. I don't know what I'm saying makes sense. You understand? So please look into the just cut down your this day self. You hiring a thumbnail designer doesn't really make sense like that, except when you're busy and you know that you're earning high on YouTube. You understand? You can afford to pay them when you're busy. Now with your bold picture and your text on it, you're good to go. These days is not about designing thumbnail. Anything goes. Some people say don't even write anything. They just put their picture and they are good to go on their thumbnail and they're still getting that views. You understand? So look into it. Except if you have money to hire, you can be dipping your hand in your savings apart from the YouTube money to be paying the people. So this is what I call penny wise, pound foolish. You understand? Please look into your expenses. So number C, understand you're buying equipment that you don't really need. Example, fancy camera. Like in my previous video, I told you, you can make a good content without a fancy equipment. You understand? You have a smartphone that you can start with. You understand? You have a smartphone that have good camera that you can start with. You go and be buying these heavy cameras that you know that your income cannot afford that. You're taking money, not your YouTube money, you're taking money from your pocket to go and buy all those things when you have alternative to it. Can't you see that is foolishness? You understand? First of all, build your consistent audience. You understand, that watch you, because when you have the audience that watch you, that is when your revenue will be high. Your YouTube income will be high. You can hire anybody that you want to hire and still use that your YouTube money to pay them and still have the remaining money to save. You understand? So please, you guys should look into it. So these costs add up quickly, and without proper budgeting, they eat into profit silently. You understand? You can say that before ending of the month, if they pay you on your revenue, your money is finished, is gone, because of all those people that you're paying, your editing, your YouTube, your editing tools, your music licensing, you're buying all these heavy equipments and all this that. You understand? And you're a new content creator. Please look into it. You understand? Immediately you go monetize, please slow down first and see what YouTube is all about, what it will give you. Okay, you save up from the YouTube money to buy all those things. So the third one is copyright and legal issues. Let me tell you what I mean by copyright and legal issues. Using unlicensed music or footage can result in demonetization. You understand? You know what, once you are monetized, you need to be very, very careful. You understand? In everything that you do on this YouTube, you need to be very, very careful. Stop looking at those people that are not monetized. Maybe whatever they do on their channel, you went and go and do it. They might escape, but you may result to your demonetization on your channel. You understand? So when you started getting into trouble, they slam you, copyright claim, they strike you. Before you know it, your channel is gone. You understand? There's a music that you will use. The revenue that you have from that music, you will share it with the owner. You understand? You share it with the owner because you use they has a copyright claim. You use their music. So you need to be very, very careful. Understand? There's some free music that they provide for you for now, till you're capable of doing all those things. So you will save some costs. The next one is, if you don't understand fair use or licensing rights, you may lose money. You understand? Please, if you're entering into this YouTube, just try to read up, try to know some certain things concerning YouTube rights and all that, so that you will not be losing the money that you're making. You understand? On this YouTube, because every time your video is claimed, you're losing money. You understand? So this is from people's music, people's content and everything, so that they will not lay a claim on it. Okay, even if when that your video is blowing, or maybe it's having like 2 million views, 3 million views, as far as there is a claim on that video, the money there, you're not making any shish out of the content. So you have to be very careful. Number 4, missed income streams. Let me explain. Creators often rely only on YouTube ads, forgetting that most successful creators diversify. You know, when you are become a content creator, you understand, it's not, you don't rely only on YouTube money. There are some ways you make money in here. You understand? There's some way. Don't depend only on AdSense. Number 1, no affiliate marketing. You are losing money when you don't have affiliate marketing. You are recommending tools and products but not getting paid. There are some people, I watch their videos, they buy things from different companies, you understand, telling people that is good. Oh, look at what I bought. But they're not getting any sponsorship from them. You understand? No affiliate marketing. There's a way you can do it with them, like as with the company. You understand? At least if you're selling, if you're advertising, you'll be giving people your code. They will be buying from that place, people that like your product. Because one, you'll be getting something from it. Okay? The second one is no digital product. You have skills, editing, storytelling, and productivity. You know that you are good in editing. And you're a content creator, you are good in editing. You are not advertising yourself in case people that want you to edit for them. You know, this is the way of making money. You can do storytelling, you understand? So this is the way to make money, but you are not packaging them into sellable. That is what they are telling you here. Please try to package any skills that you have that can sell on here. Please try to package it well. This is the way to do side hustle. This is the way to for another stream of income to enter. Okay? So no brand partnership. You understand? You're not even sourcing for brand partnership. For example, let me use an example. There is one company they call the place. You understand? Those my people abroad. You understand? Please, you can, if you know that you are monetized and you buy things from all these people, you can alliance with them and tell them, please, can I recommend, as in, you people strike a deal now. Do I need to tell you everything? You strike a deal. Even if they don't come to you, you go to them, buy 1 or 2 things with them, send them message. You understand? Send them message until they know that, especially when you have audience. So not when you have like 100 people viewing you. You want when you have audience, if brands are not coming to you, you go to them. You understand? Send them message and tell them that you both of you can do business. You understand? You buy product maybe once, twice. You tell them that they can give you a code that you will give your audience. If somebody buys from them, you get percent. That is the way. You cannot wait for the brands to come and email you. You understand what I mean? You're waiting for sponsorship to reach out instead of actively pinching. So guys, you're not checking your CTR and your retention. You're missing out critical data that can boost income and save time. Okay, so in conclusion, don't let money slip through the cracks. You understand? Being a creator isn't just about content. Don't allow money to pass you by. Okay, it's also about business. Yeah, if you don't treat your channel like a real business from day one, you will likely leave thousands of dollars on the table. All right, if you are new here, you're welcome. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification. Whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, I will see you in my next one.